Excuse me, shall we start the class, please? Oh, you're having juice maker class? That's very nice. Down and go. Camera. Shall we start the class, please? Come on. The first question of differentiation is question of 3 marks. CBSE hot favorite questions we are exactly going to encounter today. Get ready for a very hard session. Start doing the questions. The first question is, and for blessing school, these questions are very important because all tricky questions is in your box. Come on, Veda. Hi, Veda. Inform all the 12th standard students to join me. Go manager and say to Triple Room 12th standard, all children to join live. Share the session. How are you, Veda? Your polynomial session over. Come on, hey. Let's see. Let's start the class, please. Come on. So here y is equal to sine inverse. Now start differentiating. If some people will be directly differentiating this question is not for direct differentiation. You can't directly differentiate it because it will come as a roller coaster for you. You can't be able to do this question as direct question. So what you need to do is, you need to do it very precisely, pakka brainstorming questions like this, okay? So now, first is what value of x you are going to put there so that you will get some answer here. These questions are not so easy questions. These questions need your direct attention. Okay. So when you will be solving these questions, you need to understand the pattern of the question first. So here what your question is. So y equal to, when you are solving this question, this is like, so I am going to solve it later. So y equal to sine inverse 5x plus 12 root under 1 minus x square by 13 given to you. Now this question is a big challenge because you need to differentiate it. So when you need to differentiate it, we can't differentiate it directly. Okay. So what is the clue here? The clue here is, you see very nicely, here 5x is there and here x square is there. Okay. So we can split like this. Y equal to sine inverse 5x by 13 plus 12 root under 1 minus x square by 13. Now, I think Pythagoras triplet is one thing we must also think about. How? Now look here 5, 13 and 12 is there. That is the Pythagoras triplet. Understood? That means we need complementary, something complementary trigonometric ratios we are needing actually here. So what we are going to do here is, first we will assume, let x equal to sine theta. Come on, let's check this one out. Let x equal to sine theta. The moment you are substituting y is equal to sine theta, it is coming as sine inverse 5 sine theta by 13 plus 12 root under 1 minus sine square theta by 13 theta. So here only one small work I have done, and that small work is I just took x equal to sine theta. So when I took x equal to, why I took x equal to sine theta? First you will ask me. Now you see, here it is coming complementary because first what I saw is 12, 13 and 5. They both are, all three are Pythagorean triplet coming in a triangle. So we need certain value. Outside is sine inverse. So if outside is sine inverse means which we need something which can be capable of giving it a closure. Understood? We need to remove sine inverse. For removing sine inverse, We can do like that. So now come on, we will do one word here. Now I am going to write here y is equal to sine inverse 5 by 13 sine theta. Now here plus root under 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. And cos square theta root under will become what? Cos theta. So here it will become 12 by 13 cos theta. Done. Now everything is dependent on the concept. Everything is dependent on the concept. If the concept is, if I am writing here, I am writing here 13, this will become 12 and this will become 5. Done. Now, if 5 and 12 is taken, 5 and 13 is taken, so sine, we will take here angle as alpha. Done. So now, sine alpha is equal to 5 by 13. Then what will be cos alpha? Cos alpha will be equal to 12 by 13. See, I told you about Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is a complete fitting section here. So once I am just substituting that part. See, what I did, the question was very, very difficult to understand. So what I did first, I checked 2-3 points. See, every question now, don't like an idiot, don't start solving. First, you need to understand what they are asking from the question. You will see the question, you will say, Auntie, direct differentiation, I will do. Examination is having time. Understood? You need to solve every question in a time slot. Correct? First thing is, you have to play with the most dangerous thing, and that is time. Second is, if when you are solving any question, you need cut to cut be correct. And there you don't have more space to cut right, cut right, cut right. Final time you are writing. Understood? And that should be a clear cut answer. Correct? So what we have planned is, x I have taken, see, x and root under 1 minus x square. There outside is sine inverse. Correct? So if outside is cos inverse, then we could have thought of taking cos. Got it? But here outside is sine inverse. I just took here sine. Now it is coming as sine theta 5 by 13 sine theta, and here this section I hope you might have understood this part. Now this section is much clear because x we have taken as sine theta. Root under 1 minus sine square theta will become cos square theta. And cos square theta root under is cos theta. Till that point, is it clear? Then what crime I did? I did not did any crime. I just did one small thing because Pythagorean triplet was there. My concept was 12, 13 and 5. It is coming under Pythagorean triplet. That means we can be able to draw it in a root part. So root part written, correct? So I have written that in the root section, sorry. It is coming in the root part, is hypotenuse value will be satisfied. So here 5 by 30. So 5 by 30 I just wrote in the triangle. So sine alpha and this. So we are going to assume it. Let. Got it? After assumption, after assuming it, now let's what next we are going to do. Sine inverse is there. Now here, instead of 5 by 13, can I write sine alpha? Huh? Sine alpha. Now beta, if I will write sine alpha, then it will go with cos formula. Because we are the maker of the question. So here, we are the maker, sorry, of the answer. So we need to be very particularly correct. Okay. So one small change I am doing. For our convenience only I am doing the change. Now here I am taking 12 and here I am taking 5. Done? Now here sine will become 12 by 13 and cos will become what? 5 by 13. Why I did that? I will explain that part also. Anyone present in online, please kindly tell your name, and whenever doubts are there, please keep asking. So 5 by 13 is now what? Cos alpha. So sine theta into cos alpha plus cos theta into sine alpha, bingo. This comes with a formula. What is the formula here? Do you remember the formula, beta? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B is sine of A plus B. I'm just reminding you the formula here. We know that sine of x into cos y plus cos x into sine y will be equal to sine of x plus y. Direct application we are putting. Understood? So here what we are going to do is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y will become sine of x plus y. So now, okay, I love question. Study maths today, class with maths. So now look here, y is equal to sine inverse sine of theta plus alpha. Now inverse and sine will get cancelled. Inverse and sine will get cancelled. What is coming is y is equal to theta plus alpha. Y is equal to theta plus alpha. Understood? So theta plus alpha. So now beta, what is theta here? So x equal to sine theta. So theta will be equal to sine inverse x. Understood? So now here, instead of writing, we can write here sine inverse x plus alpha. Now we are exactly in that situation where we can solve. Okay? Hi beta. Jai Sankar. Okay. Hi. Now listen. Here theta is equal to sine inverse x plus alpha. Theta is equal to sine inverse x plus alpha. Once you are writing it, your polynomial class recording is there. You see that part. Class 10. Now once you are writing here, please kindly only last word here is you need to differentiate beta. So now y is equal to sine inverse x plus alpha. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to differentiation of sine inverse x dx plus differentiation of alpha. Alpha is a constant, so its differentiation will become 0. Okay. So what next we are going to do is sine inverse x differentiation will become root under 1 minus x square plus 0 dy by dx. So this much big question and answer is only root under 1 minus x square. Come on. Like this type of question coming means solve it like a boss. Nothing you have done. Only first what we have done is we analyze the question, like how to solve the question. X we have taken as what? Understood. X we have taken as, okay. After taking x as that part, what we have done, another part, sine and cos part is coming. Pythagorean triplets we understood. We took one section, and after taking that section, triangle we have drawn, and after that we just did that work. I hope you might have understood here. Come on, let's see. We'll solve the next part of the question. Come on, go for it. Done? No, done, please. We'll go for the next question. Already 10th class session is over. Recorded video I'm going to send you. Today's polynomial part. Some power cut was there, so it got delayed. But class is there. Class was there. Tomorrow morning 6 I'm taking class for 10th maths. Maths class is there tomorrow. So be there. Okay. Shall we go for the second question, Peter? Is it over? Tanishka, understood better? Is it difficult? Just need some little bit of understanding. After that, the questions are not tough. Correct, ma'am? Anytime you can assess the video and you can write out. Correct? Are we ready for the next question, please? Like this next question, 3 marks question. So how can we be able to solve 3 marks question? See, 3 marks question must be solved with much ease and understanding. That's the most crucial point. Shall we go for next one? Now this is your question. Come on, start solving, please. Y is equal to root under secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1. It's much easier question than the previous one. It's a very small, simple catch where you have to solve differentiate. Don't directly start differentiating. First use your concept and then start differentiating. Come on, go for it. Go for it, please. Y equal to root under secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1. Can I start solving it? Do you want me to solve or you want to try? Now come on, let me solve this question. Now look here, hey, rationalizing is one of the two I am giving you. After that, it's your wish. Come on, go for it. Y equal to root under secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1. Rationalize it with secant x minus 1 by secant x minus 1. So now here it is coming as secant x minus 1, secant x minus 1, secant x minus 1 whole square. Now here it is coming as secant x plus 1 minus 1. So secant x plus 1 into secant x minus 1. Done? Now everything is equal to y. So y equal to, this one will become secant x minus 1. So root part will be secant x minus 1. I am just distributing root here like this. Secant x minus 1 whole square. Denominator part is a square, a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So it will become secant square x minus 1 root under. So this section will become y is equal to secant x minus 1, and here secant square x minus 1 will become what? Tan square x root under. So here y will be equal to secant x minus 1 by root under tan square x will become tan x. Okay. Now we need to solve it. Y equal to secant can be written as 1 minus cos x by 1. Down it will become sin x by cos x. So y equal to, take LCM, nothing written this one. So 1 minus cos x by cos x into cos x will go up, sin x will go down, cos x and cos x will get cancelled. Y is equal to 1 minus cos x by sin x. So we are going to separate this one out, then we will get the answer. So here it is coming y is equal to 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. So y equal to cosecant x minus cot x. Come on. Why we got so much easily? Because we just got that point. Y is equal to cosecant x minus cot x we got. Now since y is equal to cosecant x minus cot x we got, only need for differentiation. Can you do it? What is the differentiation of cosecant x? Gum? Formula don't ask. Differentiation part don't ask. Everything you do, we will be sitting and writing. Come on, see the answer. Am I? Cot x, cos x, anything coming, say. All accepted. Cot x is tube light. Say it. Okay, I am writing the formula. Is it correct? Cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Cot x is minus cosecant square x. Is the formula correct? I may be wrong. I may be playing with you. Why you are trusting me? I told you to trust me. Come on, say the answer. Answer, say. We can solve like this. Did you understood it? Some children, they are thinking that okay, fine, it's not there. Exam is very far, so what is there to study? Correct? Finished? All technical, typical, stupid questions we are going to do today. 3 marks. If we will do it with brain and do it with much perfection, mistakes will be minimal and we will be able to solve any level questions what we are expecting to solve. I hope you might have understood that part. Huh? Go for it. At least you say you are having doubt online, children. Any doubt is there? Sivaranjani, are you there in the group? Solid, Sivaranjani, Shakti Priya. Come on. That's the most important point. We can solve questions like this. So cosecant differentiation, anyone please say what is the differentiation of cosecant? Huh? Correct differentiation? God knows only. Huh? Come, go down and go. Okay? Head down and go. Come on, no problem. Get in. One more monkey is missing. Come, bring it. Hey! His brain is nothing. You did not get anything. Come on. Monkey, 2 questions already over. Oh, you see live. That was the biggest help you have done. Okay, fine. Can we go back to the question, please? I saw it. He was busy, Amma. I know that. Now, shall we go back to the next question, please? Ready? Come on. Shri Devi. Hi, beta. Now, look here. We'll go for the next question. Come on, solve this question. Same pattern as that of question 38 when we were solving. Same pattern. Now, just tell me what in all work we have to do here. Y is equal to cos inverse. Either be there or here. I'll punch you very badly. You are not online. You are here only. Meeting will be there. Come on. Now look here. Y is equal to cos inverse 3x plus 4 root under 1 minus x square. Can we do one girl? We need cos. So this time can we put x equal to cos theta? Okay. Thank you so much, Peter. Now look here. Now look here. Hey, get back to work, please. Now y equal to cos inverse 3x plus 4 root under 1 minus x square by 5 is there. So what we are going to do is, we will assume let x is equal to cos theta. Okay. First question when we have solved, we did like that. Y is equal to cos inverse 3 cos theta plus 4 root under 1 minus cos square theta by 5. Done till here. Now after that, what next? Doubt is there? Y equal to cos inverse, it will become 3 cos theta plus 4 root under 1 minus cos square theta will become Sine square theta. And sine square theta root will become sine theta by 5. Till here done. Now what next we are going to do here is we will separate it out. Now again when you see this question, you check one time, very important thing, Pythagorean triplet. Can you see 3, 4, 5? It is coming in the triangle part. So you must be very careful. Just now see, answer is started exactly coming. Now look at y is equal to cos inverse 3 by 5 cos theta plus 4 by 5 sin theta. Now again we will draw the triangle. So same pattern question, 3 marks question of CBSE. Now here, this part we are going to assume it as alpha. Now hypotenuse part 5. We need here 5, sorry. We need here 3 and we need here 4. So what is cos theta beta? Cos theta is based by hypotenuse. So here it will become 3 by 5. And now beta, here theta we will not put, alpha we will put. Now sin alpha is equal to what? 4 by 5. Now we are going to substitute the values there. So let's substitute the value y equal to cos inverse. This will become cos alpha into cos theta plus sin alpha into sin theta. Based on this part only we have taken the decision and we have eliminated that. So y is equal to cos inverse cos of theta minus alpha. Now please pay attention here. We have written there theta minus alpha. What we have written there? Theta minus alpha. Now cos inverse and cos will go to them. So it will become theta minus alpha. Now check here. If x is equal to cos theta, then theta will be equal to cos inverse x. So now substituting the value. So here it will become cos inverse x minus alpha. Substituting theta is equal to cos inverse x from equation 1. Only last shot is left because now we are very much near to the answer. So now what we are going to do here is y is equal to cos inverse x minus alpha is there. One small work, differentiate it. When we will differentiate it, dy by dx will be coming as minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. That's it. That's the end of the answer. So here, I'm just writing here. So differentiation will become dy by dx equal to minus root under 1 minus x square. Why beta minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square? Because here differentiation of cos inverse x is that only. Okay, and the alpha is constant, so differentiation of constant will become 0. Okay, now fine. Please kindly pay attention and start solving the question. So this is one of the most important questions of CBSE. Navisha, done hai? Monkey. I know Anush is there. Anush already asked me that. Now listen. Shall we do that work, please? Someone note down. Yeah, before that class. Do it. Already one light is it? Switch on that light. Yes. So now I hope you might have understood how to solve this question, beta. So this part, cos inverse 3x plus what we have done one by one, I am explaining it. We took x equal to previous question when sin inverse was there. We took x is equal to sin theta. Now this time cos inverse is there. So what we took? X is equal to cos theta. See, you need to understand step by step what we have done. In any question which is having some type of roller questions, so that time what you need to do is take the content one by one and in summary section write whatever you have done. First one, we assume x is equal to sin theta. Second, we check the Pythagorean triplet. We separated it out, used triangle, Pythagorean triplet concept. Then we went with the formula of cos theta. Cos theta plus alpha. What is the formula for cos of theta plus alpha? Cos of a plus b formula is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So until and unless formula command is not with you, you may struggle with this type of questions. Understood? No, when plus will be there, here it will be minus. Here plus was there, so I wrote minus. Yes, that part will be plus. Once you are substituting the direct formula here, it will become theta minus. Understood, beta? That one will become theta minus cos inverse cos theta minus alpha. So here, be very specific. You are going to write board examination first. You understand? Little bit of mistake means marks will go. That's the most crucial thing for you. What you have to save is your score. Your content should be very much correct. I hope you might have understood this one. Done? Shall we go for the next question? Ready for it? Okay, note down. See, this video will be available to you anytime. You can see, you can analyze it. Okay? So in your group, coaching group, this video will be available. Before exams, you can watch this with high speed and just go for the division. Summary part I have already told you. This type questions need what? Substitution of x with some other trigonometric ratios. Go for it. Use Pythagorean triplet, make a triangle, substitute, use the formula, and then finally differentiate. Finally differentiate. Don't be in hurry worry. Start differentiating. I hope you might have understood. Can we go for the next question, please? Done. Say fast. Use the formula and do it, Peter. You can do it. Excuse me. Shall we go for the next question? 3 questions we have done. Today's speed is very slow. And this is 3 marks question. So you must pledge yourself like the 3 marks question you cannot take more than 5 minutes. In fact, 5 minutes is also very, very expensive. Okay. 5 marks question will be there, other contents will be there. That will be very difficult for you. Can we go for the next one? Come on, this question need your assistance. Direct formula based question. I will not say anything. Try this question, everyone. First, try this question. Come on, go for it fast. Who knows? Think nicely. Think nicely, get the answer. It's your question, you can do anything. You can explore the question. I didn't told you to do anything. I told you explore your question, get the answer. It's totally yours. Come on, solve it. Monkey, focus in your part, please. Question is very risky, huh? Come on, solve it. Assume some values, you'll be able to get the answer. Come on, try out the question, please. Excess what? One formula is there, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. I have given you much back. Come on, think fast. Think about tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. You'll get the answer. Try out. Everything is coming with a small word. Do it. See, It is just formula. I'm going to solve it now because you are taking too much of time. See, first understand, listen. It will take 2 minutes extra, but I will explain and then I will solve. Otherwise, whenever you will solve, you will kill everyone. You will kill all the people, especially the people who are going to correct your paper. They will be shot dead. So better I will solve here. Now please pay attention. This is a core formula here. A monkey. Now first focus it. Now look at trigonometry class 11. Two formulas are there, and its inverse also I am writing. First trigonometry formula I will write, then its inverse I will write. So that whenever doubt will be there, this video you will see miss, it will be easy for you. First understand trigonometry formula. This formula is, now look at, now focus here and just learn first. Tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Then this is the formula. Second is, first listen me. After that you these are the two formulas. Understood? So how can its inverse be written? How can its inverse be written? Inverse formula is totally different. Okay. How to write the inverse? It is written as tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x. This is for plus. Is it anything? Check. Now next one, go for it. Now look here. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. If formula command is there in your hand, miss, no one can shake you. Remember this. Now this is tan and this is its inverse. Understood? Same pattern, but here tan x is there, here x and y is there. Inverse we have taken out. Okay. Now this question is given to you. You have formula command. Tan inverse. Now is it this part? Tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy, whole reverse of it. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now instead of this, what is given here is 1 and here it is given as x. So where we are going to use, which formula we are going to use? First inverse formula or second inverse formula? First analyze it. See where plus is written up or minus is written down. First check that one out and after that go for it. Can you check here? Minus is up and plus is down. So first one what we are going to do here is, we will write here tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. Bingo now. Why? Because here instead of x what we are taking? 1. Check it. Instead of x what we took? 1. Now look here. Instead of x what I am writing as 1 and instead of y what I am writing as x. Is it looking similar? 1 minus x by 1 plus 1 into x is x. Understood? So what answer will come here? Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. Please remember, please think here very carefully. This is not an easy question, 3 marks question. Board most expected questions I am doing. I am not an idiot. I am exactly selecting some very important questions and I am giving it so that whenever you will see these questions, you will have that idea, okay, direct formulation we have to do. We have taken sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, correct? Or tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So here direct formula. This part minus is indicating ki OA use this formula. Understood? So here tan inverse x. Instead of x what will be there? 1. Instead of y what is there? X. So what I wrote, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. Now go for the second section. In second section what is given? I'm keeping bracket. Here x plus y. So in which of the formula plus is there? First one or second one? This one plus is there. Okay. Tan inverse x plus y. Instead of x, what is there? X. Instead of y, what is there? 2. And you can see here nicely, here 2x is written. So directly in the formula, it will become tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2. And that everything is equal to what? F of x. F of x is nothing but y. Now open the bracket. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse 2. Come on, these questions are very expensive questions. Don't do mistake in this. So tan inverse 1 minus 2 tan inverse x minus tan inverse 2. Now beta, direct not differentiation. Go for it. I am telling you now, go for it. Inverse tan inverse constant differentiation will become 0. Tan inverse constant differentiation will become 0. What you need is tan inverse x. So a direct differentiation will become dy by dx. This part is 0 minus 2 by 1 plus x square and minus 0. Because we know tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the differentiation? Differentiation of tan inverse x is what? Come on, say. Differentiation of tan inverse x is, write down beta. This differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Come on, go for it. It's not tough question first. It's not lengthy question. It's very much trick based and it is based on your understanding. So if you are understanding the question clearly, don't start differentiating directly. You will definitely create problem in examination. First solve it, resolve it, bring a solution and then differentiate. That's the biggest way or that's the most important way to solve it in no time. It's your wish. Okay? I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say it fast. Did you got my point? Yes. Shall we go? Shall we go to the next question, please? Fine. Okay. One more question after that. Okay. I leave early because you are having exams now. There is a video. It is there. Don't worry. Go for this question. This is a hard question. 3 marks. Beta, I will answer to you. Don't worry. You can note down. You can stop. You can write. You can see. That video belongs to you. So only I will like that. Now sin inverse cos x, cos inverse sin x. Pa, this is not tough question. What should I do? Huh? Tomorrow? Chemistry. Health, that cheap. But health education exam you are thinking about. Go run and show your teacher. I ran from here to there, health education exam. Okay, fine. That bodybuilder is your health education teacher. That lady teacher, bodybuilder. Very skilled. Kidding. She'll come like this, Miss Learning. Okay, hey. Will you do your work, please? I gave you one question. Come on, go for it. Very tough question. Very, very tough question. This is the toughest question of today. Excuse me. This is the most toughest question of today. Pa, I am very scared of this question. Hey, intelligent idiots, you know one thing. Sin inverse cos is it. Cos and sin is complementary. Understood? Apply your brain and think the question how to solve it. Come on, I'll give you one clue. You got the answers? Anyone? Okay, do try. If you try, fry, question, whatever you want to do it, but give me the answer. Problem is not this. Problem is complementary. Hey, sine is complementary of cos. Gave you the biggest clue. Nothing is there in the question. It's waste of time only. Question is not at all that level. Tanish, what happened? Nana, don't kill. Don't kill your time. I wanted to say that. Don't kill the question. I didn't want to say. I just said don't waste your time in exam. Don't do like that. Easier than that you can. Come on, try. Monkey. Any idea? One more monkey strike. What happened? Next class you are going to sit in front first. Others punch you. What you are doing? Hey, don't do like that. Come on, let's see. I'll solve the question, please. Come on, see it. Question is not tough. It is easy. But first you need to understand what you are going to implement here to solve the question first. First is we know that sine of 90 minus x equal to cos x and cos of 90 minus x equal to sin x. Done? Cos of 90 minus x is equal to sin x, sin of 90 minus complementary part. Yes. That's what I told you now. Now see how much tough this question is. Appa, I'm having very scared. Will I be able to solve this question? Now cos x can be written as sin of 90 minus x. Now cos inverse sin x can be written as cos of 90 minus x. Now sin inverse sin will go to hell. Cos inverse cos will go to hell. What left is sin is telling go to hell. Pi minus x plus pi minus x. So here y will be written as y equal to 2 pi by 2 minus 2x. Such toughest question, see. Y equal to pi minus 2x. See, before you might have went for differentiation, that time it might be tough. But right now, nothing is there in the question. It's all set, all done. Just differentiate. dy by dx is equal to d of pi by dx minus differentiation of 2x dx. Remove us, nothing is there. Answer is minus. Because x differentiation is 1, so answer is minus. Hots. See, hots. Such difficult question. This belongs to hots. Before that question, what we did, that we can use the word, okay, that was hots. But this is not at all hots question. This is complementary question. Understood? Easiest question, huh? Say. Online children. Note down, otherwise seriously I'll beat you very badly. Come on, do it. Done, no? Noted? So, online children, okay, you go. We are ending the session here. Go, all the best for your physical education examination. Okay, bye everyone. Good night. Wait, after that you say